A one-time event isn't enough to say that you've got the most rugged product in the industry. It's the amount of time that the product can stay active, which is more important. We put our product through a shake, rattle, and roll. And that means we put it through a vibration test on all three axes, because it can travel in a vehicle that way, it can be stored that way as it's in transportation. So it's important that the product can tolerate a lot of vibration, as well as putting it through a drop test. A lot of our products are drop tested from anywhere from 5 to 6 feet to concrete, multiple drops to each surface of the product, because that's the way it can be handled. Whether they're in freezers or in high terrains and cold temperatures like our MZ products are used with the Italian Post application, or whether they're in the hot baking sun like the RW420 is done when it's being used by policemen in Arizona. You don't want to test a product just to get to the margin and say, we got there, we crossed the finish line, that's good. You put the product in the chamber and you test it until it fails. You test it to see what it can take. So if the latch button says that it can take 5,000 actions, we'll put it on an automated machine and run it for 10,000. We'll put a product through a much greater set of tests than what the design is intended to withstand. The applications go through a full battery of tests in our engineering team before they get released to our design verification and testing. So we've got a full printer farm where we'll just run an application continuously to make sure that we've got good, strong, and reliable network connectivity and security and internet protocol functionality built into the product. I think we probably support somewhere around 15 to 18 different barcode symbologies. Those all have to print cleanly and crisply over a wide variety of formats in order to make sure that we meet what all our customers want us to do with this product when they want to print out a label or receipt. In fact, I'm amused that our competitors do things like throw their printers out of vehicles or drop them off of roofs. We were the first ones to do that, but it's just a fun thing to do, whether it's a tabletop product, a desktop product, a card printer, or a mobile printer. Zebra has a uniform approach and a uniform design to how they test and validate their products so that they can feel confident that they've delivered a solution that has the durability and the lasting power for all the applications that we're called upon to support across the world.